Hello everyone. Today's video is about game theory. जिसके ऊपर आप लोगों ने काफी बार छोटा मोटा सा काम किया है for this competitive examination, but in today's video मैं कोशिश करूँगा आपको एक special shortcut trick देने की. This is about how you can do it with respect to any coefficient matrix. For example, I have one matrix in my mind. So 1 1 is the first. Then 5 0 0 5 4 4 5 0 0 5 and 4 4. That's it. So here A B, or rather say I and I, and this is for B and this is for A. Now to read this, इसे पढ़ेंगे कैसे, है क्या ये? Okay, so this is very easy. So now we have a matrix-based structure, and in this matrix-based structure, our main target is to find out that which is the best possible outcome. So ये outcome दो parts होता है. एक है socially optimal outcome. So what is the best for the society? If this is about something which is called profitability, where I means investment, no investment, no investment. So if A and B are two sailors and they are trying to get into a level where investing or non-investing get them some benefit, and these are like the payoff matrix. Okay, so payoff. So what is this payoff is all about? If it's a higher value, then you are getting to a better level. So higher value, better level. Lower value, you are not so happy. So in this case, whenever we are trying to compare, is it very easy? So it's like 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 4 plus 4. So isn't it like 4 plus 4 is the best position for us? Socially optimal position? Yes, this is a socially optimal one. Best accepted. But what happens in real life, people don't trust each other. So they think that if we can, for example, two companies A and B decide that from tomorrow we will sell it, all our products at an average price of 75. Maybe not all products, maybe like any one product they are selling together in the market, they are having a big fight, so they decided, okay, let's go for 75 rupees a unit from tomorrow. We are going to change everywhere in the websites and prints and everywhere. What happens on the day when the product comes, in that very night, you see that, okay, this product is available at 65 for seller A. So seller A intentionally reduced the price. But there is a bigger surprise. Seller B is selling it at 50 rupees. So they decided to sell it at 75, and one is 60 and one is 50. No, why? The basic reason is they want to get more benefit from the market by breaking this pre-decided cartel. Cartel means when more than one sellers decide to sell their products with a pre-decided packed idea or prices, all these things together. So now coming to this problem, so how we can get it? So socially optimal position is not achievable, so this payoff matrix, how you do it? So we compare, now my trick is left to right, top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom. So what is left to right? So whenever we are comparing left to right, we are not comparing the left one. Okay? So when we are comparing left to right, so that is for A's decision making. A up soch hai. Okay? So A's decision making, you keep the first, actually the left one is for A and the right one is for B. Left one is for A and the right one is for B. So you don't compare this 1 to 5, so you compare 1 with 0. So if left one is non-compared, so with respect to the profitability, so if A goes for investment, so now this is B side, everything is A, B in that way. So if A is stuck at his decision that I will invest, so B has a profitability 1 if they both of them invest, and if he decides not to invest, then 0. So 1 and 0 are the two comparison zones. So he decides, okay, let's have some profit here. So 1. So B will go for invest because 1 greater than 0. So I will be writing all the values, don't worry. So next, A decides no, I will not invest. Now B left out with what options, we have a look into it. So A decides with non-investment, so B decides here. So with respect to B, so the comparison matrix comes with 5 and 4. 5 and 4, so obviously he decides to go for investment. So irrespective of the decision making of A, B is always going for investment. This is the first part. Second part, alongside this when we are going, so now our target is from B's part. For B, this is left to right comparison and this is top to bottom comparison. So obviously this time we have kept this as left as constant, this time we will be keeping the right side as constant. So as a result of that, if B is going for I, so A is 1 greater than 0, isn't it? A is having 1 greater than 0 and our job is done. So 1 greater than 0, so we are having this, so they will go for investment. If B goes for non-investment, so A ke liye kaun sa hai? 5 greater than 4, same idea. So whatever happens, they will go for, B will stick to I and A will also stick to I, so investment, so this is the Nash. This is an equilibrium called Nash equilibrium. So whatever my other people is doing, if I am restricting myself to a situation, then this is called simply Nash equilibrium. That's it, यही है और कुछ नहीं. तो इसी पैटर्न के ऊपर काम करते हुए सारे सम्स आएंगे. कभी-कभार more than one situation you will have. Sometimes, and what is bad about not trusting each other is that they could have reached to 4.4, but they are now only restricting to 1,1. That's it. So Nash equilibrium tells you that if we don't trust each other in a market-based structure, so the ultimate game is being lost by both of us. In the next video, we will be talking about the elasticity principle and Roy's identity, which is very important for the examination. If you have any normal doubts, abnormal doubts, very hard doubts, so whenever you are in the ghost mode of studying, so imagine me with you and I'm just a WhatsApp away or a call away, so you just dial the number 98367 so you'll keep in touch with me, and if at that time I'm not taking class or making videos or doing anything with respect to making material, so I will be there. So it is in the normal time, the evening times, you just try after 10, so I will be available. So that's it for today and hope to see you soon.